Welcome to this tutorial on how to see the put-call ratio in Thinkorswim. The put-call ratio is a key indicator for traders, providing insight into market sentiment. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to find this important metric on the Thinkorswim platform. Let's get started. First, open your Thinkorswim application and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, navigate to the Market Watch tab located at the top of the interface. Under this tab, you will find various options like quotations, alerts, and the calendar. Click on Quotes and look for the section where you can customize your watch list. Next, you will want to add the put-call ratio to your watch list. To do this, locate the gear icon near your watch list title and click on it. This will open up the customization menu. Here, you can select the columns you want to display. Look for the option labeled Put/Call Ratio in the list of available options. Once selected, click OK, and you will see the put-call ratio appear in your watch list along with the other metrics. Finally, to analyze the data, make sure to compare the put-call ratio with historical averages and other market indicators. A high ratio may indicate a bearish sentiment among traders, while a lower ratio might signify bullish sentiment. This information can be extremely valuable as you make your trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more trading tutorials.